wake you, ma'am, but
I've been awake for hours.
We're here to dress you, ma'am.
Dress me? For what?
your sister's coronation, ma'am.
Not a couple. You sure about that?
Why do you shut the world out? What are you so afraid of?
I said enough!
Sorcery!
And when we find her, we will put her in a place. After all, it shouldn't be too hard. She is but one small girl.
A heart does not so easily let go of its pain.
Try Pappy, please.
Wow. You really don't know anything about love, do you?
And what's going on with your hair?
My hair? I just fell off a cliff. You should see your hair.